Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel Tutor Things. As we all know, we have started Lead Code 50 series where we're going to be solve 50 SQL problems so that will definitely help you to crack any SQL interviews or any coding tests. So we have already got 45 videos in this series, so now we are in the 46th video. Let's get started. Delete duplicate emails is a problem name. So the problem number is 196. So in LeetCode you will find so many number of problems. This is SQL 50, which is the study plan we have chosen, and we are trying to solve these problems. Otherwise you will be having no more problems in topic wise like that. You can just explore. So you can parallelly open this website and solve uh, parallel with us. So here is this table. Let's see the schema first and then understand the problem statement and then try to solve by writing the query. Okay. Persons is a person table. We have column name as an ID is an integer and email ID is a varchar. ID is the primary key which is a unique value and table contains the emails. Emails will not contain upper cases. Okay, emails will not contain upper cases. The data they have given. They are asking us to write a solution to delete all the duplicate emails, keeping only one unique email with the smallest ID. So one unique email should be there. Duplicate emails will have to delete with the smallest ID. Whatever the smallest ID which we have, for that we have to delete that email id. Okay, we have to delete that email id. So that the thing they are asking, keep only one unique email id with the smallest id for okay, duplicate id with the smallest id, understood. For one, if we see this particular example table, we have one id john example at the is email id. If you see, this is also unique. If you see third id, this is not unique. This is the duplicate or repetition with the john at the example, this one and the first one. So so in these two we have to delete one, that is with id with least we have to delete. Sorry, id with least or id with keeping only one unique email with the smallest id. Okay, the smallest study we have to keep. Other things we have to remove, that may be duplicate of one or fourth id will should be all the same, that thing also you have to remove. Only the with id with the smallest id, which is the first one thing, we have to be put those things we should not remove. So see the explanation they have given. John at the red example is repeated two times, we have to keep the row with the smallest id, that is one. This is kept. Third one is a deleted. So this is that simple. We have to check John at the rate is there or not, like that. Okay. For SQL users, note that you are not supposed to delete statement. Do not select and not write a select. They are telling us to write a delete statement. Okay, not a select. So see, we are not selecting. We have to delete. Okay, for pandas users, they are telling like to modify the person in table. After running your script, the answer is shown in that person's table. Driver will the driver will first compile and run your piece of code and then show person's table. The find out of the person's table doesn't matter. Okay, some data they have given, like how that will work in this browser, the delete thing. So now we have to delete. What we have to delete? We have to delete some data from person's table, right? person person table, which I'm giving like a alias in p, all the data we have deleting here. And I'm taking some person preferences, one more thing q, where it just should be a smaller id, right? Where id is greater than p dot id. And also one more thing, that is email id should not be removed. Email, if it is same email, then greater than the smallest id kind of all things will be got deleted. Okay, this much simple, that is I'm just running this. Okay, when I manual correspond to my SQL syntax where, and okay, email, this is not email. Sometimes we should do such kind of things. My bad, we have removed it from here. my god. Okay. And okay, where spelling why I'm behaving like this? Yes, where this case and that case is fine. Now we are deleting all the records from person table which has ID is less than, so it's now attempt is successful. Only two records are there. The ID with three is now deleted. Only one, the repetition with the small ID is there. So that's all for this video. Hope you have understood this video. If you have any doubts regarding this, let me know in the comment section. We're definitely happy to reply your comments. And that's all for this video. Hope you have enjoyed watching our videos. Share our videos to your friends or colleagues who are at learning stage of SQL things. And that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.